Right, so me roof bars now, I still get asked quite a lot about these, and I do have a video on how I fit them, so you can have a look at that at the end of the video. I'll put a link at the end and below as well. But in a second I'm going to go out and show you them, and I'll leave a link below as well to the roof bars. And so this is a Peugeot Partner, and if you also have a Peugeot Partner, you need to make sure in the specification on the website, so this is a link to the bars on Amazon, and I get a tiny bit of commission if you do go ahead and buy them. I'll probably get like £1 or something, 50 pence, it's not much, but make sure that your van is suitable for these. Yeah, so let's go out and have a look. Right, so I'll turn you around now. So as you can see, I literally just carry my ladders on here, and they're easily fitted. Just got the bolt there, a couple of nuts and screws and stuff, and you obviously have to buy the clamps as well, so I'll put some links to the clamps below as well. These are pretty decent clamps with a lock on them. So yeah, nice and simple. I mean, if you've got a van and you've got ladders and stuff, you need these. These were off the top of my head around £100 ish, something like that. Obviously they might have a deal on, shop around as well. You don't have to use my link, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you because I do get lots of questions about them and stuff, and which ones do I use, blah blah blah. So yeah, I thought a video would make it clear really for people and help them out. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.